Verifying your Revolut account is an essential step to access all features and ensure security. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the app. Start by downloading the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account using your email address or phone number. Step 2. Enter personal information. After creating your account, you will be prompted to enter your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure that the information is accurate and matches your identification documents. Step 3. Upload identification. Next, you will need to upload a valid form of identification. This can be a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a clear photo of your ID and submit it for verification. Step 4. Take a selfie. To enhance security, Revolut will ask you to take a selfie. This helps verify that the person creating the account matches the identification provided. Ensure that your face is clearly visible and well lit when taking the photo. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your identification and selfie, wait for Revolut to review your documents. This process may take a few minutes to a few hours. You will receive a notification once your account is verified and ready to use. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your Revolut account, allowing you to enjoy all the services it offers.